Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI 15T. In this video I'll show you how to record screen. In the beginning, let's go to Control Center of your smartphone. Right here we've got a set of multiple functions. Also here you should find Screen Recorder. If it's not here, tap Edit and add it to top screen. Confirm and enter Screen Recorder. Allow. And to record screen, simply tap red button. Tap it again to stop recording. Also, now you can go to settings to change resolution, quality, orientation, sound source, and frame rate. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.